To demonstrate the non-disruptive upgrade capability of Konvoy, we deploy the Konvoy cluster with Kubernetes 1.15.4 and we will upgrade it to 1.15.5. So we just check the version now. What we need as well is just to deploy some just like Nginx containers on Kubernetes so that we can test that during the upgrade we won't get many failures. So we just deploy like a simple Nginx application. We get the IP address of the ingress controller or the load balancer that is in front of the ingress controller, and we have created an ingress rule for myapp.com. So we just update the etcos file here so that the requests for myapp.com are going to this load balancer in front of the ingress controller. Just do a curl and we should get like the default Nginx page. Great. So we use like a small tool that sends a lot of HTTP requests to test the impact of the upgrade. So basically we are sending 10 million HTTP requests during the upgrades, and we'll see how many of them will fail. And we have also Grafana as part of Konvoy with multiple dashboards for Kubernetes, but also for the other add-ons like Traffic. And we can select the backend corresponding to our application. We see that some requests are already coming, so we can start the upgrade now. So we just edit the cluster.yaml file. We have deployed this cluster directly through the command line. We could have used Commander for this deployment, but here just like a simple Konvoy deployment. So we just update the version and we run the command convoy up --yes upgrade. That will start the upgrade process of our cluster. So what will happen in this process is that we will do a rolling upgrade of the control plane first, and then we will do a rolling upgrade of the worker nodes. And the way it works is that we do for each node we mark the node as non-schedulable so that we don't get new pods on these nodes, and then we we drain the nodes, and after that, when the drain is finished, so all the pods are going to be evacuated, we are upgrading the kubelets, and finally we mark the node schedulable again. So we do that node by node so that we have a minimal impact when we are doing this upgrade. So you see it's about to start the first control plane, and I don't know if you've seen, but very quickly it was showing the impact of the upgrade. So it shows you like if you have pods that are under replicated or things like that, it will skip these nodes, but in this case we had only one deployment that was correctly replicated. So when the upgrade is finished, what we can do, we can take a look a little bit higher and see the way it worked for one node. Like I said, we should be able to see the drain happening during the upgrade, and yeah, here, so just showing you the way everything is managed. And we should be able to see that the nodes are now in 1.15.5, which is good. And we see the result of our 10 million requests, only 12 failed. I mean, like it has been like very minimal impact. So thanks for watching this recording. Hope it was helpful.